Habandize kubaho kurahira kwa Ishenteko habwa Mitoma District Alex Karitundo Kanga na wanyuma ho biro chairman habwa Mitoma kumara imyaka 18 Karija Benon ayanjwire ofisi yo mbutongore hari kujikwasa Alex Karitundo Okanga.
Karitundo Alex Okanga swear in the name of Almighty God that I shall be faithful and be true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Wanyuma yo kurahira kwa bakansara habiro kutera karuru kwa ba speaker abantu bana babiri besimbireho kandi Council Tibbs John Akanyamahanga no wasinjire obwa speaker no bururabe nabuna kandi ogu nawe akwasibwe ibitabo bya office ari kuhebwa oriyo muhwezi wa mukuru w'abakozi awa Mitoma District.
So by the power entrusted to me as the Chief Magistrate in Mitoma Magisterial Area and as the chairperson of this election, I declare Honorable John Tibbs Akanyamahanga, who has the majority of the votes cast. He has garnered 25 votes as the newly elected Speaker, Mitoma District Government Council.
I have the honor to give you the biggest instrument which will identify you from any other person in the council. This is none other than the guy.
Council Tibbs John Akanyamahanga wanyuma yo kumara kutunga ibukwato byona Speaker Rugire yakoze obushobozi bwe yarondese omuhwezi we kandi amateka gari kugira kandi Twesigye Richard Nwatwire obwa Deputy Speaker wanyuma yo kutera karuru emirundi 3. Council Tibbs John Akanyamahanga yasima bamutiremo bwesije bakamuterera karuru ko bwa speaker kandi yaraganisa kwatansana bakansara hamwe n'abakozi omukora abanyamitoma embyentunguka.
Ngenda kutwara ubusho gusima abanyamitoma abalonzire kansara zibarungi aba basize kwika bakareba ngo betaga effectively representinga electorates babo kandi bakanta mu bwesije abo kugira ngo babere speaker. Ngenda kubahamiza ngo abakansara z'abanta mu bwesije banyitegereza kandi ninjya kubakora
izo umukoro gwagendaje mu Mitoma District ahabo kuba nahiyo bampinguza nka Minister wa Production na Works na Technical Services na hora nashimerwa munonga abo ko beji committee nkana gikoze ronka cha person mwena tuna aba minister inteka kandi byinguto za Mitoma na ebyo buhingi n'uburisa ibyo ninja kubitwara je munonga ubwo ngwatanise na team indabe ninkora nayo.
Amwerwa mukuru habireho no kurondo muhwezi wa mukuru wa Entebbe ya 5 kandi mukuru w'Entebbe ya 5 hahire izina lya Onesmus Ainembabazi hamwe n'akakiko ka DEC akarukwebembera mukuru w'Entebbe ya 5. Makuru aga gashakwa Olivia na Sasra umuri Mitoma.